Adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They help to describe noun or pronoun. They may describe their shape, size, color, quantity, and quality. For example, a red shirt, a huge building, a tall tree, a strong woman. Types of adjective. Adjective of quality. It tells us the quality of noun or pronoun. For example, the flowers have nice smell. The cat is hungry. The room is empty. Adjective of quantity. It tells us the quantity of something. In other words, it answers the question how much or how many. Numbers like 1 and 30 are type of adjective. For example, there is little water in the jug. I have 2 daughters. I can't believe I ate the whole cake. There are 7 days in a week. Demonstrative adjective. It describes which noun or pronoun you are referring to. For example, this bicycle is mine and that one used to be mine until I sold it. These cakes are soft. Those children can speak English. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjective shows possession. It describes to whom a thing belongs. For example, your car is very expensive. Their house is very big. My dog is sleeping. Interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective interrogates, meaning that it asks a question. It is used to form questions. For example, which song will you play on your birthday? What pet do you want to get? Whose book is this?